Find an equation of the straight line passing through the points 4, -7 and -6, 11. So let's get the gradient of this line by doing the change in the y. So 11 minus the -7. Divide by the change in the x, -6 minus 4. So that gives me 18 over -10, or -9 over 5. I can now do y equals m x plus c, and I can substitute either of those coordinates in. I'm going to substitute this first one in, the 4 minus 7. You could do the other one if you prefer. So the y coordinate is -7. The x coordinate is 4. The -9 over 5 times the 4 is -36 over 5. Which I will then add to the -7. To work out my c. The 7 there is the same thing as 35 over 5. So my c is going to be -35 over 5 plus 36 over 5. So c is 1/5. So my c is 1/5. The question did say I need to give my answer in this form, so I'm just going to do a little bit of rearranging now. So I'm going to multiply everything through by 5 to get rid of those fractions. So I'll get a 5y equals -9x plus 1. And then I'm going to move everything over to the left-hand side by adding 9x to both sides and subtracting 1 from both sides. And that's my answer to part A. We're then told that the line crosses the x-axis at point A and the y-axis at point B, and O is the origin. We need to find the area of the triangle AOB. So I'm just going to draw a little sketch to help me picture what's exactly happening here. So here's my coordinate axes. My line had a y-intercept of 1/2 and a gradient of -9 over 5. So that's looking something like this, where this was 1/5. Right, we were told that the line crossed the x-axis at point A. So here's point A. It crossed the y-axis at point B. So this is point B. O is the origin. And we want the area of this triangle here. I know the height of the triangle is 1/5 because that's the B coordinate. I need to work out the A coordinate. The one thing I know at point A is that y is 0. So if I substitute 0 into my equation, I find that x is 1/9 at that point, which means the base of my triangle is 1/9. And now I can say that the area of this triangle is 1/2 base times height which is 1 over 90. And that's my answer to part B.